The DJI RS4 Pro Combo is DJI's latest flagship 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, designed for professional filmmakers and content creators who need reliable, smooth stabilization for their camera rigs. The gimbal itself weighs approximately 1.2 kilograms, which makes it one of the lighter options in its class. Despite that, it supports a tested payload of up to 4.5 kilograms, enough to handle most mirrorless cameras paired with standard zoom lenses. The build is solid, with sturdy arms, smooth motors, and a built-in touchscreen display that supports 11 languages, giving you quick access to settings, motor parameters, and shooting modes without needing your phone. It features 3-axis stabilization with a maximum controlled rotation speed of 360 degrees per second on all axes, which means it can keep up with fast-paced movements and dynamic shots. The operating temperature range goes from -20 to 45 degrees Celsius, so it's built to perform in extreme conditions, whether you're shooting in freezing cold or intense heat. Powering the RS4 Pro is the BG30 battery grip. It packs a 1950 mAh battery at 15.4 volts, totaling 30 watt-hours of capacity. DJI rates it for up to 13 hours of runtime under stationary balance conditions, and it charges fully in about an hour and a half using a compatible fast charger. The grip connects via USB-C, and a charging cable is included in the box. The combo also includes a metal extended grip and tripod. It screws onto the bottom of the battery grip and serves a dual purpose. It extends your reach for low-angle shots, and the legs fold out to turn it into a compact, stable mini tripod. It weighs about 226 grams and is surprisingly rigid for its size. For mounting, the kit comes with a quick-release plate that's compatible with both Arca Swiss and Manfrotto systems. You attach it to your camera once, and from that point, you can snap the camera on and off the gimbal in seconds. The combo version also includes an extended lower quick-release plate, which provides more adjustment range for heavier or larger camera and lens combinations. There's also a briefcase handle included, which attaches to the gimbal and allows you to carry and operate it in an inverted low-mode position. This is useful for ground-level shots and certain cinematic angles where you need the camera close to the surface. One of the main reasons to go with the combo over the standard version is the Ronin image transmitter. This module mounts directly onto the gimbal and wirelessly transmits a live video feed from your camera to a phone, tablet, or external monitor. It's incredibly useful on set when a director or client needs to see exactly what the camera is capturing in real time, without being tethered to the rig. The second major combo exclusive is the Focus Pro motor. This compact motor attaches to your lens and gives you precise remote focus control directly through the gimbal's controls. It comes with a rod mount kit for standard 15mm rods and a focus gear strip that wraps around your lens barrel. DJI says this updated version offers a 30% speed improvement over the previous generation, which should result in smoother and more responsive focus pulls during recording. The combo also includes a phone holder that clips onto the gimbal. Paired with the image transmitter, you can mount your phone directly on the rig, open the DJI Ronin app, and use it as a wireless monitor, giving you a clear view of your frame while operating the gimbal handheld. Rounding out the package are the multi-camera control cables, which support different camera brands for direct gimbal-to-camera communication. There's also a lens fastening support arm, an extended bracket that helps stabilize heavier telephoto lenses by supporting them from below. If you're working with something like a 70 to 200mm lens, this accessory makes a noticeable difference in balance and motor strain. A screw kit with various sizes for mounting is included as well. Everything fits neatly into a hard shell carrying case that comes in the box. The interior is molded with dedicated slots for each component, so nothing moves around during transport. The RS4 Pro also features Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity for pairing with the DJI Ronin app, and it's compatible with the broader DJI ecosystem, including DJI transmission and the Focus Pro lens control system. Overall, the combo version bundles the image transmitter and Focus Pro motor together with the gimbal at a lower price than buying them separately. For anyone serious about professional video production, it's the more practical option and saves a significant amount compared to purchasing each component individually.